Hi, this is Jason coming to you from Jerusalem. In the background, you can see southern Jerusalem. This is where I live. It's just exquisite view from up here. And I just wanted to reach out to design architects that are watching me right now to say to you that obviously with AI and all the latest technologies, you may feel that you are being left behind. And the truth is that you're not being left behind. You just need to know how to piece your strategy together. And what that means is to have a system in place to help you communicate design. And so, what we're going to do last night, we prepared a project on the PC. I'm going to show you the SketchUp model, basically, our model. And you can see that we have used a model that's quite cohesive. There's a lot of great stuff happening in it. This is the town center, and then obviously we have a lake in the background and then different housing. But we are going to use different AR platforms as well as D5 Render to help us get this into shape. Finishing off the model after a couple of hours, this is what you may be able to extract from the model. And you can see there's really a bunch of really magnificent views, which we want to go up the road to the printer in Jerusalem here and get it out onto a high quality piece of tabloid paper. You can see the town square here. We've created 3 different versions of this project from different angles. You can see the town square here. Beautiful watercolor. We've got this auditorium, and then we've got this pedestrian crossing on axis with these more modern type of buildings. Also this light that's filtering in through the forests here, as well as these magnificent trees in the foreground. And we want to print this out on paper so that we can impress our clients. This is an pic of the town square. This is how it may look. Obviously there's a lot of street furniture, there are people, there are cars, there are clouds in the sky. There's also magnificent foliage to complement our design. Third image of the town from a more aerial point of view. You can see we've got cars, food stalls in portable vans, and then we've got this type of architecture which is manifesting in the background, some boats, etc. And you can even see this town bus here, and really exciting to go and print it out. Let's jump into reality. We're going to go over to the print house, which is a little shop up the road here. So let's just get in the car. Let's jump up to the printer. Let's get it out on paper. So I'm on my way to the printer. Simply a small print shop here in Jerusalem in the little village I stay. They have a full color Fuji film printer and really prints on a high quality paper, full color. Costs me probably less than $2 to print each image. So we're going to go there right now. We're going to take a look at how these images come out, because last night we used different softwares. We used AI, we used SketchUp, we used D5, we use so many different softwares to pull this together. You can't use AI as your solution, because what happens when AI spits stuff out that you don't want, you have to temper it, you have to adjust it, you have to do corrections. You need Photoshop, you need SketchUp, you need a whole set of tools in one mix to get everything together. So there is no space here for AI to take over everything. All I wanted to say to you is let's take a look at how it came out. I'm super excited to show you. There's a whole new psychology to paper. Paper, when put in front of a plant, is something that will change the game for you. So yeah, it's just come out the printer. Let's take a look at this. You can see it's just unbelievable. This is a Fuji printer, and just take a look at the quality. What I wanted to suggest is that you really need to understand that when you print out on paper, it manifests in a completely different way. Let's take a quick look at the colors that came out. So here we go. This is a project we did last night. It's in the US, and you can just see there's the raw concrete of the sidewalk here, and I've got my images here, and just look how absolutely magnificent these images came out on paper. And this is the power of architecture together with AI, together with Photoshop. This is a low aerial shot. You can see how powerful it is. Now, if you're sitting at a coffee table with your clients and you're showing them something that looks like they'll be willing to move forward with the project, you can see here we're on the sidewalk, and I'm impressed by what I see on the page. And we've got 3 different pages, obviously, and you can see already just the power of the imagery when you move through it. Now, it's super cheap to print on a laser printer, and if you brave enough to take on work this size and get it printed, then you've got a winning formula. I look forward to sharing with you. Remember, we have a free mid-journey training. Simply just click on the link below this video and you'll be able to access the free mid-journey challenge, which will give you the ability to start using AI to create unbelievable stuff that you can manifest on paper just like this. I wanted to say thank you to Jeffrey Moen Architects for supplying the model and conceptual design. Also wanted to suggest, if you want to join our design proposal community, you can simply click on the link in the description below. And not only that, if this video simply resonated with you, you can watch this video, which is up next.